Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a quick video on how to replace the battery on a 2011 Nissan Altima 5. Okay, if you look at it, we have this little sliding slot that will slide your key out. It will slide your key out, as you can see. Slide your key. Now you have a little slot right here. You will run your nail down the thing. As you can see, it opened up. Now, the battery you will buy will be this one. As you can see, it's a 2032. Okay, as you can see, your battery's up. So now, when you take it out, you have a slot just like that. This is the controller part. So now, when you buy a battery, comes brand new, say CR 2032. You take off the tape, place it the same way it comes out. So up, put it in. Okay. Okay. That's it. So you get it in. Now, you come, put it back in, make sure it clicks. Okay, grab the key, and that's it. You're all set. Like and subscribe. Thank you.